my channel. My name is Kiana and I'm here to tell you about my experience with these passion twists. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I have my passion twists in for about 2 weeks. It didn't last, guys. It didn't last. You can see my blonde hair sticking out, my roots. I mean, on camera it does not look bad. It doesn't look bad, but in person, to me, it does. It's because my hair is sticking out. I think if my hair was black, it would look so much better with the old look, but because my hair is like blondish, brownish, orangey, whatever color it is, it's sticking out and it looks crazy. And they're so light. I really love them. I don't know if I want to take it out yet. I'm like, all right, let me keep it in for 3 weeks, at least 3 weeks, so I can say I got my money's worth. I mean, the entire style cost me $50 because, you know, I had to buy the hair, which was like $50. But it doesn't look bad on camera, but in person, I don't know, guys. So the install was super easy. I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but it is a rubber band method. I blew out my hair. If you did not see my video how to blow out your hair safely, don't forget to check that video out. I will link it down below. But it didn't last, guys. Look, my hair looks so this is 2 weeks and I don't know. Okay, so I did the rubber band method, super easy. And then I took the crochet needle, pulled it through, twisted. I don't know if I twisted the wrong way. I just don't know. It's so frizzy. My friend was like, Kiana, don't take it out, just retwist them. And I'm like, the hair is like getting stuck together. I don't know. And plus I just feel like I feel as if I'm not complete. I don't know. I don't feel complete. I don't feel cute with this because I know my hair could look so much better by me doing it. Like, my box braids was popping, okay? My homemade box braids were popping. It was legit. But these twists, I just cannot get with it. I just don't understand. And I love twists. So my experience with me doing it by myself, I don't know. Maybe I need to do it smaller next time. Maybe it's that. But these chunky ones are just not the wave. And I know I'm not the only one because my best friend, she had her hair done in passion twists. And the same thing happened to her. It just did not last after 2 weeks. So I know it's not me. And I know I'm not overreacting. I know I'm not bugging. But I just needed something anyways for 2 weeks. Because the humidity in New York was disrespectful, and this was the goal, was 2 to 3 weeks until it gets cooler. After Labor Day, you know, summer is snatched away, so it's nice and cool now. My hair is not going to frizz up, it's not going to shrink on me. It's that nice fall weather, so I can wear my hair out in peace and not worried about it shrinking. So these twists did its job for me, and I am very happy about that. So it was like a win-win situation because I swear, I said I needed a style for 2 to 3 weeks, and it lasts 2 weeks, but 3 weeks, I don't know, sis. They don't look bad on camera. Maybe I'm just overreacting. My friend's like, add some, you know, edge control. I'm like, no, I'm gonna get like build up on my edges. I don't know. So passion twist, I think, needs to stay with smaller sections and not bigger sections. This did take me 7 hours to do. I mean, the 7 hours was the entire detangling my hair, washing my hair, deep conditioning my hair, detangling it again, blowing it out, putting in the parts, and then putting the twist in. So within 7 hours, all that was included, and that wasn't bad at all. So I don't know, they look cute. I would definitely say for someone to try it, but maybe do them smaller. And if you have color hair, either get the hair, the extension hair, the color of your hair, like a little blend, but don't have your natural hair like brown and then the hair is black. Like your hair is sticking through, sis. It's not cute. It looks like a bush, just like, I'm not feeling it. So I will definitely try this out again. I will definitely record it next time, but right now, because I know a lot of people ask me, they want to see my passion twist. These are them. They are pretty long. They're like upper, lower, back, like length, and they're super light. I love when my hair is up. I love when it's up. It looks super, super cute. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try it again, but these are my 2-week results. Yeah, no, they're coming out, and I'm gonna just slay my hair for Sunday when I start grad school. I'm just gonna have like a nice little twist out, braid out, one of those things, and I will revisit this another time. So that is the end of my video, real short and sweet. I just wanted to give you an update about my passion twist because I left you guys hanging in my other video. Don't forget to like this video. Please leave your comments down below to tell me your experience with passion twist. Maybe did yours last more than 2 weeks? What tips can you give me? Because a sis is trying to master this style. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, live life_key, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.